Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So, seeing the shipping label not available error on Etsy can prevent you from purchasing or printing shipping labels, delaying order fulfillment and delivery. Fortunately, this issue is usually caused by address, courier, or shop setup problems. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the shipping label not available issue on Etsy in 2026 quickly and correctly. So check if Etsy shipping labels are supported. So Etsy shipping labels are available only in certain countries. So to verify, go to Shop Manager, open orders and shipping, and select an order. Click Get shipping labels, and then if unavailable, Etsy labels may not be supported in your region. Okay, use external courier instead if needed. You can also verify buyer shipping address, so invalid addresses commonly cause this error, so check order details, so street name complete, postal code correct, city and country valid, no special symbols, okay, so if incorrect, contact buyer, request updated address, and update order before purchasing label. Okay, so couriers reject incomplete addresses. You can also confirm your shop address, so your shipping origin must also be valid. So go to shop manager, open settings, okay, select shipping, get shipping settings, okay, and verify origin postcode code, country selected correctly, processing location accurate, okay, and then after that save changes, okay. That's it, guys. As the last solution, you can check package details. So incorrect package may block labels. So ensure correct weights entered, accurate dimensions, supported package type. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.